So I haven't watered this for a long time, but you'll see that it retained moisture. And look, the worms are here, so that's always a good sign. Lifting this up in here, and there's more potato. There you go. I did that electromagnetic thing where you run the copper wire, and I will say this has been my best yield. I didn't have a lot of plants here in this little section. I had dug up most of it, so interesting. Some stuff. Yeah, this has been pretty good. Better than I thought. Some nice size ones. Good. I'm doing this because we're getting a rainstorm coming up.